Hello my friends, Dave Schramm of SchrammGuitars.com, and today I'm going to be making a back lining for my H1A style classical guitars. Let's go check it out. Okay, so this is a mahogany, Honduras mahogany cut off from one of my neck blanks, and right now it's about 4.5 millimeters thick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it under my Gilbert thicknessing sander till I get a thickness for 3.5 for my H1A model. Now, if you're wondering what the H1A model is, it's based on the Hauser Segovia model guitar. I think that was 1937. So I'm using the specs from that guitar, and that's what this is going to be for. Okay, this is all thicknessed and to 3.5 millimeters. Now I'm going to cut it to 13.5 millimeters. I'm gonna rip these into the lining strips. All right, here we have the strips all cut to 13.5 millimeters wide, 3.5 millimeters thickness, about 28 inches in length. And now my next step is I'm going to soak these in water and then put them on the bender. So in that time lapse, in the time lapse video of bending the back lining, you saw me also use this heat gun to help, because these sides are so thick at 3.5 millimeters that with the light bulb style bender, this can cool down quite a bit. So I was heating the outer layer of this with the heat gun, and then using some water in my spray bottle here to add moisture to the wood while bending. So at this stage, what we're going to do is we're going to let the binding, or the, so at this stage what we're going to do is we're going to let the linings cook for about 15 minutes, maybe longer, because they're thicker than sides. And I'm going to run 2 or 3 cycles of that, of letting it heat up and cool down. Okay, I've already bent the lining. This is a extra set that I bent that came out of the side bender, and now I am fitting one of them onto this H1A model Schramm guitar. I'm going to fit this, other one next. But anyhow, that is how I bend and make my back lining. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video on how I make the back lining for my H1A model guitars. If you have some videos that you'd like to see me do, put it down in the comments below. If you're new here, welcome. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.